Echinoderms exhibit a remarkable diversity in their larval forms, reflecting their evolutionary history and adaptation to various ecological niches. Here's a detailed look at their larval development. 1. General features of echinoderm larvae. Echinoderms are deuterostomes, meaning their anus develops before their mouth during embryonic development. Their larval development typically involves several distinct stages, each characterized by unique morphological features and ecological roles. Fertilization is external, occurring in the water column. Cleavage is radial and holoblastic complete. Many larvae are planktonic, drifting in ocean currents, while others are benthic, living on the seafloor. The larval forms are often strikingly different from the adult, showcasing significant metamorphosis. This dramatic transformation is a key feature of their life cycle. 2. Types of echinoderm larvae. Different classes of echinoderms have distinct larval types. 2.1. Pluteus larva. This is a characteristic larva of sea urchins, Echinoidea, and some other classes. It is characterized by a bilaterally symmetrical body with several arms supported by calcareous rods, often with pigmented tips. 4 ciliated bands are present, forming epaulettes at the base of the postoral and posterodorsal arms. They're planktonic and feed on phytoplankton. 2.2. Auricularia and Doliolaria larvae. These larvae are common in sea cucumbers, Holothoroidea. The auricularia is the first larval stage, characterized by a curved, ciliated body with a gut loop. The Doliolaria larva is a barrel-shaped stage which usually follows auricularia, showing a more organized structure. 2.3. Bipinnaria and Brachyolaria larvae. These are found in starfish, Asteroidea. The bipinnaria larva is bilaterally symmetrical with ciliated bands. The Brachyolaria larva develops from the bipinnaria. It has 3 arm-like extensions called brachioles that help it settle on the substrate, initiating metamorphosis. 2.4. Other larval forms. Other larval forms exist within the Echinodermata phylum, reflecting the diversity within the group. Variations in larval morphology are often linked to environmental factors and feeding strategies. Some species exhibit direct development, skipping the free-swimming larval stages. 3. Metamorphosis and settlement. The larval stage is temporary. Once the larva has reached a certain size and developmental stage, it undergoes metamorphosis, a dramatic transformation into the juvenile form. This process involves significant reorganization of tissues and organs, culminating in the development of the characteristic radial symmetry of adult echinoderms. Settlement cues, such as substrate type, chemical signals, and light intensity, trigger metamorphosis. The settlement process marks the transition from a planktonic to a benthic lifestyle. In conclusion, the larval forms of Echinodermata exhibit great diversity, with different classes displaying distinct larval types. These larvae play critical roles in dispersal and ecological dynamics, showcasing the remarkable evolutionary adaptations of this phylum. The transition from the larval to the adult stage through metamorphosis is a complex and crucial event in the life cycle of echinoderms.